Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And, one of the things that I got asked about is Chromebooks. And I get requests from time to time to talk about Chromebooks. So the question, particularly this time that arose, is, what Chromebooks are all about. And what you see here actually is me going through my Chromebook, basically to show you a little bit what it's about. So the main question I get regularly is, would a Chromebook replace my PC? And one of the things that I know is one of the reasons for Chromebooks interest is the lower price than a lot of PCs. Now remember that a Chromebook is not like a standard PC. It's kind of running, think about it as running an Android operating system like on a phone, but designed and modified to run on a PC with a screen, like a laptop. So it is more closer to a phone in a laptop form than it is closer to a PC with Windows. And so for that, there's a lot of things you won't be able to do on a Chromebook. So a Chromebook is not for everybody. A Chromebook will not do everything you need, depending on the software you use. If you're an internet-only person, say you only do online stuff, you only need a browser, you need to access your email, well, yes, a Chromebook can maybe do the job. If everything you do is always in the browser, this is what a Chromebook's all about. It's a connected device, and what you do is mostly connected things. So most of the time, you'll be actually using something online. An example of why it might not be a good idea to get a Chromebook is also the fact that depending on the software you use, if you use Photoshop, there's no Photoshop in the Chromebooks. There's no Word or Excel. There's Google Docs that can, in some cases, do the job. It all depends on how complex the documents and the spreadsheets you are sharing. Simple documents will work fine. Absolutely no problem. There is a way to, yes, access the Office online apps. They will work through the browser because it's a browser thing, but they lack the advanced features of Word and Excel and PowerPoint. But still, for some, it might be okay. They are often underpowered, especially if you don't pay too high of a price. The one that I have here is I paid really dirt cheap. I didn't want to spend a lot of money on a Chromebook. It's a little sluggish, but it works, and for what I do with it, it actually works fine, and I'm happy. The main advantage of having a Chromebook is, of course, a lot of them are very thin, light, and don't require a lot of battery power. So often what's going to happen is they're going to run for much more on battery power. So, for example, my Chromebook easily will make 8 hours of battery, and which is something very difficult to get on a laptop with Windows. So it really is, think about it as a connected device that if you're always online doing online stuff, it will be perfect. It will work great for you. But if you are in need of, powerful software like Photoshop or, the Office suite or things like that, a Chromebook is not for you. It really isn't a Windows PC. It really isn't what a standard PC is all about. The apps that you'll get them through the Google Play Store. So, once again, think about it more as a laptop that has more to do with a Android tablet or phone than with a Windows PC. Would a Android tablet do the job for you? Well, if it does, then a Chromebook might do the job for you. If an Android tablet cannot do what you want, then a Chromebook will not do what you want. So there's a big differences in these machines. So some of you, yes, absolutely, they will work fine. They'll do what you want, and they'll have great battery life, lightweight, and often not too expensive. Depends on the Chromebooks. There are some Chromebooks that are as expensive as PCs. When you get to a Chromebook that is as expensive as a PC, well, most of the time I'll tell people, just buy a Windows PC. Don't spend $1,000 on a Chromebook. If you're going to spend $1,000 on a Chromebook, then spend it on a Windows machine. You'll do a lot more. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching my videos.